And let Brother go next.
Grace, why do you always put ornaments right next to each other?
Oh, that's okay. Mommy can change them later. Not a big deal.
Hey guys, let me know what it is that you're working on.
Christmas tree.
Yeah?
Christmas tree.
What all are you putting on it?
Marbles.
Which ones?
These.
Oh, those some of your favorite?
Yes.
You being very careful on there, Ellen?
Yes, yes I am.
Good work. Hi, Mom.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, good.
Good.
Guys, who is it that's going to fly to our house tomorrow?
Jingle.
That's right. Who's the elf that comes?
Jingle.
That's right. And so maybe in the morning we'll search for him to see where he's going to fly to.
Yeah, I think he's going to be in the dining room.
You think so? Well, we'll see. He was all over the house last year, wasn't he?
Yeah.
You guys.
Santa time.
Yeah, and then Santa will come at Christmas, right?
Right. And I think Jingles the elf is actually, I think every time he does opposite and kind of in pattern, and last year we got tricked like 5 times.
Oh,
but this year I'm gonna make sure we only get tricked 0, 2, or 1 time.
Ooh, sounds tricky. All right, guys, the tree is looking really good.
Okay.
Thanks. Dad,
Good one.
high five for me.
Good one.
I'm too easily